So I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyeliner for my hooded eyes. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner in black. It has a really thin brush, so that's why I use it. And I'm just going to show you what I do. So first I add a little wing on the end of my eye. This is what we have now. I don't put any eyeliner on the top of my eye. It's just so you can still see your eyeshadow. When you wear your mascara, it will kind of link it up so it'll look like normal eyeliner. I also like to put a little bit on the inside of my eye and fill it in. Alright, now this is optional, but I do feel like it gives a better look to the whole eyeliner. I use a pencil eyeliner on my tight line, so this is optional. Sometimes I don't do this, but just look at what it does. I know this looks freaky, but stay with me. Do you see what that did? So now it looks like it's all lined up under there, and it just still makes it look like you have really thin eyeliner on the top of your lid, but you don't. And you have more lid space that way, so you can put whatever eyeshadow. And now, lastly, what I do, I get a white eyeliner. This is NYX Epic Wear liner. This shit lasts so long, so if you want to get it, do it. And I do a mini wing on the inner corner. With this part also, you don't have to do the little inner corner thing. That's just something I like to do. And now I'm gonna put on mascara, finish the other side, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we're back. So this is it all completed with mascara, fully completed. It's just how I do my eyeliner. I've done it like this for a long time, and it's what I feel like works for my eye shape, because I love eyeliner, I love wings, but it's hard to do it when your eyelids cover everything. You can't see it. So this is how I found works, so then you can still see whatever's on my eyelid and I still have a wing that looks cute. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and let me know if you want to see more. I am planning on doing a nose contour highlight tutorial as well. If you want to watch that, let me know. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!